Open Stage Theatre and Company presents a thrilling and widely acclaimed play, Men on Boats by Jacqueline Backhouse. Men on Boats is the true-ish history of an 1869 expedition when a one-armed captain and an insane yet loyal crew set out to chart the course of the Colorado River. Inspired by John Wesley Powell's actual travel logs, Backhouse's nimble and ingenious script is provocative, laugh-out-loud theater, performed by a diverse cast of non-male actors who infuse America's historic myths of male conquest with a sly blast of satire. 10 explorers, 4 boats, 1 Grand Canyon. Men on Boats is sure to be an innovative and innately theatrical experience, playing at the Fort Collins Lincoln Center through February 15th. Tickets at openstage.com.